Hello, today we will have a look TypeScript array type. To define a type of array, we need to define array, the types that we want to assign that array. For example, let's assign now any type, and then use square brackets. And now we can assign any value for array that we want. As with any type, we can assign a string, we can assign number, and also we can add a new element for that array. Now let's change array type to string. And now we will see compilation error as we cannot assign number for the string array. Now let's have a look at this code example that we do not have assigned any type for the array, but we have assigned value strings to the array. In this case, TypeScript will automatically assign this array to string. Now if we will have error because TypeScript will automatically assign the array type to the string. For example, now if we add some number here, we will see we don't have error as it becomes string and number array. Now let's have a look at the examples that we want to assign array two or more types. In this case, we need to assign types that we want, for example, number and string. And then now we have number and string arrays. We can add more types here. For example, we can add boolean type here, and now we can push number, string and boolean. But if we want to push, for example, array, we will see error. So we will have a look array types. Thank you.